called me the Witch of Buchenwald, a monster, a sadist, a collector of human skin. But none of them were there when the power changed me. I wasn't always this way. I was born in Dresden, a regular German girl. I dreamed of love, comfort, and security. And I thought I found it when I married Karl. He was an SS officer, and through him, I entered the world of power. Buchenwald wasn't a place, it was a beast. It swallowed everyone who entered, even those in uniform. I became the overseer's wife. That meant respect, fear, authority. They said I had prisoners whipped for looking at me. Maybe I did. Maybe I needed them to know I was in control. The rumors, they grew. Human lampshades, skin with tattoos. They said I collected them like trophies. I'll tell you this, in Buchenwald, cruelty wasn't rare. It was routine, but when a woman does it, suddenly, it's witchcraft. When the war ended, the same people who praised me were silent. I stood trial. They put me in the dock and made me their symbol of evil. They didn't care about the men. It was me they wanted to burn. They sentenced me to life, then released me, then sentenced me again. They couldn't make up their minds. Was I a scapegoat or the monster they needed to hate? In the end, I made the choice they all feared. I left them with silence. They wrote my name in history's darkest pages. But tell me, what scares you more? The crimes I committed, or the fact that I was once ordinary?